Now let us discuss about the marriage pyramid. This is a marriage pyramid. It has a double pyramid structure on the top, and at the bottom it is connected in this way. Okay. Now suppose a girl wants to get married. Marriage is delayed somehow, and the parents come and then they ask for the marriage pyramid. What we advise them is, if the girl has to get married, then she has to write a desire list on a white paper in red ink about what she desires in the partner, that is her husband, to be. Once she writes this down, what we do is we open this up. This is the girl's chamber. The black chamber on the right hand side is the girl's chamber. We open this up. Here we do the Paira Yantra. Inside we can put the girl's photograph. Okay. Now she doesn't know who the husband to be would be. Okay. So what she will do is she is going to write just a desire list. Now here we don't know the date of birth of the husband, so we can't make the Paira Yantra. We put the desire list over here inside. Okay, sometimes when the paper becomes large, then you have to use sellotape and just put it like this. So you put the desire list about the boy written by the girl and then keep it like this. So now your marriage pyramid is ready to start working for you. After this is done, the girl has to sit, keep the pyramid over here. Girl has to sit like this and just energize it. At the same time, she can go through the list that she has written. She can keep the list over here, a Xerox copy, and read it. But this has to be done for a minimum of 3 minutes at one shot. If possible, do it twice a day. Ideally, do it twice a day. Okay, do it for 90 days and you will get the results. The desired kind of boy will walking through the front door. The marriage can be, at least the engagement, in my experience, the engagements have happened in roughly 90 days. Okay.